Good evening. Welcome to the brand new webinar. We're going to see how to build funnels live now using AI and ChatGPT prompts. So let us jump inside my little checklist. I will share the screen and take you inside. Yeah. First thing what we need to do is we need to simulate the funnel using JRU software. This is the software we have wherein we can simulate the funnel by adding the traffic sources here. You can add the traffic sources, and in each of the traffic sources, you can go and add the traffic you are expecting, monthly visitors you are expecting inside this, and you can put a CPM also here. All this can be done. So once this is put in, you will know exactly what is the traffic cost you're getting. Then they are coming to the first page, which is a strategy call homepage. Then they will fill a form. Then they will go to thank you page. So this is the thing where after the thank you page, you will keep getting the emails, nurturing emails. Then you will be taken on to the calls. So once the calls are done, live calls, then you will be given a sales page. Then they can complete the order form here. So on the one-to-one call, all this will happen. So what is done is we have done the percentage also. What is the number of visitors you expected in each of this? When you click on to this, what is the percentage of opt-in rate we have mentioned in each on this page, right? When you see this page, you will see the opt-in rate in each of this page. The book strategy call, you will find the opt-in rate. Then you have a thank you page also, you have this. Then email also, what is the dropout? Then finally, how much is there? When you put all the numbers correctly, then when you simulate, you will get the exact number, what is needed for running this ad. Okay, how much is the money you're spending? What is the money you're spending? And how much is the profit you can make? You can see this exactly before making the funnel itself. So once this is done, right? Once you've done this, okay, now you know exactly that you're going to make this much money with this funnel, and you have to make sure the traffic is coming to the funnel. So let's jump inside my little checklist thing. Okay. The first thing what you need to do before building any funnel is understanding of the sales funnel. Okay. Let's see what are the sales funnel is. Okay. So let's see a small video. What is a sales funnel? So this is a sales funnel where people come from the top, they go to the bottom, right? So there are customers come in the funnel and they become a permanent customers. So this is the leaky sales funnel, right? A lot of customers are not dropping out, and this is the perfect sales funnel. Can you see it? All customers are coming on top and they are dropped out, qualified, and coming in the bottom. Right. So what do you understand in this? So let's understand sales funnel a little bit deeper, actually. Okay. So we call it sales funnel, the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. Okay. The three types are there. The top of the funnel is the place where you have people like unaware of your product, right? And they are not even aware of the problem also. Then middle of the funnel, they are aware of the problem. They are aware of the company, what is required. Then they may not know what product to use, middle of the funnel. They are little warmer, but they are not exactly a fully warmed client. Then bottom of the funnel, you will have a fully warmed up client. They know the product, they know the competition, they know everything, like they have done all the analysis. So this is the three categories of the funnel. So we also have one more representation, which is called when the raw leads come in, okay, they become your viable leads and they become nurture lead, then active lead, then marketing qualified leads. So this portion is called the marketing automation, right? So there is a marketing department in any team, and you have a sales department also, right? So the marketing department, what it does is it takes the raw leads from the top, and while it will become a viable leads, and it will go to the nurture leads, then it will go to active leads, finally marketing qualified leads. So when you go down, you will find CRM, what it does is it will accept the sales accepted leads. So whatever marketing is qualified, it doesn't mean that sales have to accept the leads. Okay, sales have their own pre-qualification. They will look for the customer is right fit for us. They will look for the payment terms. They will look everything else to see that. Then only they will take the clients inside. So sales qualified leads are the perfect leads for any company. Then they become opportunities. Then it is closed and win. This is how a funnel is represented in the marketing and sales area. Right. So next is we'll go to the landing page checklist. So before building any landing page, we need to fill a small checklist, which will really help you. So I'll just open it. It's already there. 1 second. So this checklist will help you to understand what are the elements inside the landing page. So we have listed all the elements here. I can share it with you at the end of the webinar. This one in the chat, I can share it. So the landing page briefing template checklist. Okay, what you need in this is you need to know the client name, whom you are making the landing page, then phone number. If it is you, it is your name, your phone number, your email ID. Then what is the type of landing page you will be making? So this is very important question actually. So we have decided 4 types of lead funnel types actually in this category, but we are going to build one funnel type today, which is the appointment booking, like this one, which is we're going to build it live. So there are 4 funnel types we have. So what are these funnel types? Let's go and see. Lead generation is the funnel type where traffic comes, people fill the form, they go to the thank you page, they go to the WhatsApp group, they get nurtured. Then you will be given a presentation or PDF, and people will follow up with you. They will call you, then they will make a sales. This is the lead generation page. In the appointment page, traffic will come, they will book a calendar with you. Then they will go to the thank you page, they will go to the WhatsApp group, then they will go to the nurturing stage, then one-to-one presentation will be there. On the presentation, you will have a sales happening. This is the appointment booking funnel. Webinar funnel. So what happens in the webinar funnel is when people come as a traffic, they fill the form, they go to the thank you page, they go to the WhatsApp group, they get nurtured. Then in the webinar, there is a tripwire product. The first level product is being presented and sold. So this is the webinar funnel. This is the video sales letter funnel, actually. This is a different kind of sales funnel wherein the traffic will come, they will fill the form first, then they will get to the second page where there is a video of yours will be there with your product explanation, everything will be there. Then below that, there will be an appointment link. People watch the video, they will get convinced, they will go to the appointment, they will fill the appointment, then they will go to the WhatsApp group, then nurture, then it will become a sales. Then they will come to the appointment directly, their sale happens. This is the VSL funnel. Right. So you need to know the funnel type before building it. Okay. Then what you need is you need to fill all these type, industry type. What is the industry type you want? So what is the micro niche? So in this particular case, I've taken an example of a music teacher who's teaching in Sur and Tal, right? So that is the niche I've taken. The color scheme, like what is the primary color scheme? What is the secondary color scheme? So when we are building inside the landing page, you will see all this information. It is required mandatory. So now let's go to the color scheme for a button. What is the color scheme for button? Green or blue, whatever contrast, right? We'll use it. Social media URLs. This has to be added to the system. Okay, next is your headline. So we're going to build piece by piece. We're going to use ChatGPT for this and we'll take advantage of this. So next one is the headline. Then you have a sub headline. What is the sub headline? Then what are the bullet headers? There are 3 pain points you'll be solving or 3 customer data, like who's your target customer. That has to be mentioned here. Then you have a form fields like name, email, phone number is collected. Then you have a call to action where the book an appointment will be there. Then trustworthy elements, like if you have a certification, if you have any other credibility, like you've done like you've been mentored by somebody, you have a awards received, right? Those things that can be mentioned in the landing page. Next is your personalized element where what is the degree you completed, what is your credibility, all that can be mentioned. Next is images of the award ceremony. Then we need a 3 video testimonials then we need 4 testimonials, written testimonials. Then we need a FAQ, like a frequently answered questions, then calendar link, then profile photo, then you have a biography of the person whom you're making the landing page, then a minute timer, button animations, what type of animations you want to use, then Google Map, whether you want to give a Google Map inside the landing page, then you have a landing page video. So you need to take a video of a landing page and a video and to place it in the landing page. So then you need a logo of the company also, then any other information, additional information needed. So these are the things for search engine optimization. You need this title, meta description, favicon, privacy policy, and mobile device optimization. So any landing page you be building is needs to be mobile optimized as well, right? That's very important. So let's go into the next step. Then we'll see the what needs to be done. So we have seen the funnel type. We have seen the landing page checklist. Then we'll go into the designing of the sales funnel. So for this, we're going to use Funnelworks as the platform where we have a landing page builder, like funnel builder is there. Then you have a website builder. So we're going to go into the original templates. So in the Funnelworks, the beauty is all these templates, whatever I'm talking, like lead generation, appointment funnel, webinar funnel, all are pre-built inside. So I'm going to take one of the appointment funnel and clone it, and I'll make it 2024, and I'll copy this. So what I mean by pre-built is the skeleton is completely built and it's loaded in all the accounts. So people can come here and easily make a funnel and launch it within 1-2 hours. That's what I mean. So I'm going to make the funnel in front of you. Let me see. Okay, I'll open this funnel. It has got a raw information. It is not having anything. It is not having domain. It is not having anything. So what are the, let me quickly go through this page. I'll tell you what are the other elements we need to fix here. So the next one is the ChatGPT prompts we'll be using for making funnel. Then you have a color palette, how to choose the color palette, then connecting elements. So these are the 3 elements you will be connecting to the landing page. One is the forms, one is the pixel, and one is the domains. Then finally, we do the testing of it. Right. So let's jump inside the funnel again. So this is the template we already have inside the platform. So this will be loaded in by default in any account, or if you want to create from the scratch also, it's possible to do it. Yes. I will also tell you how to do that. Okay, since we have this already, now this has got a pre-built template. Like you have a video you need to put here, headline you need to put here, headline has to be like this, your audience has to be there. Then you have a one-to-one session, what they will discover, you need to put the text. Then about the bio, what needs to be there here. Okay, then the bio of a person. Then again, book an appointment link, then testimonials, then written testimonials. If you want 4 of them, you can copy this immediately. You will get 4 of them. Frequently asked questions. So all these are there already. So let's start building as per this particular information we have here. Like, so we have an information that unlock headline we already taken from the this thing. We if you want to take the new like a new headline, we can do that as well. Like we will go to the chat GPT quickly. Okay, let's get a prompt for a headline. Okay, we have a prompt here. So let's go here. For headline, there is a prompt, right? We'll just copy this. We'll go to chat GPT, place the prompt. So this is for some other project. So what we'll be writing is, write me a landing page headline from promoting a music teacher who soulfully teaching music to music lovers with sur and tal. That's it. Right, let's get the headline. Yeah. So we got the headline. Okay, unlock your soul's melody with my passionate music lessons. Let's harmonize with sur and tal. Very nice. So let's go back here. Let's go split it into two. So one is the this thing. The let's organize. We'll keep it in the second line. We'll take this. We'll add it this way, right? So it's only drag and drop actually. No need coding, nothing. So you need to do this. Then you can underline this. Okay, you can go and just pick up this word and just underline, and the color changes because so we have picked up a color here on the right side. If it is a bold text, white color, normal text, this color, underline text, it is a yellow color. We already picked it here. Okay, the same way here also you can do the underline. Done. We have done the first part of it. Video, you can go here, you can click onto the video and you can click here and there are 5 options for placing a video. Either you can have a video with the YouTube, you can place it, or from Vimeo or from Vistia or from posted video. You can directly upload a video inside this system. And you can have a thumbnail as well. Both can be done here. So let's go into the target audience part. So let's ask ChatGPT only for that. So let's take the second prompt. So we'll ask same question. 3 major clients for the above. We'll mention above. That's it. It's enough because we are inside the same ChatGPT. It can easily identify who are the people. Right. So it is given 3 aspiring musicians, music enthusiasts, parents of young musicians. So these are 3 things it is given as a target audience. Okay, we can copy this. And you can put it in the Word file. Okay. Right. The same can be copied back to the your funnel directly. So you can mention this. Right. So let's put this together. Aspiring musicians who dream of a little bit of alignment to be done. Then you have a second music enthusiast. Then you have this appreciation of music. Then you have young parents. Then you have this. Right. Now it looks like it is congested, right? We can go there and adjust the spacing here. We'll make it 1.5. So it will look like it's little more now. Let's make it 1.3. Okay, now it looks perfect. So now this part is done. Then here we need to put a calendar link. We'll do that later. Then you will have a text here. So what are the 3 secrets you can teach people in your one-to-one? So let's write 3 secrets here. And let's go back to the ChatGPT again. I think it is already given 3 secrets here. So what are the 3 things you can do here? Like, so you can take one by one and you can put it in the yeah. So you can copy it here. So boost your profits with the effective inventory management, optimized strategy, stock levels, reduce waste. I think it has taken the previous prompt. Okay, let's ask the new secrets, right? So let's go to the prompts. What are the three secrets? Okay, what are the secrets which three secrets reveal in the one-to-one when music enthusiasts book an appointment? Right. So it will give you three things. That's it. It needs to be taken and you can put it directly there. It's not copied yet. I think it's copied the whole thing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. The same way you can do the others. So I'm not going to do the second and third. Okay. This is the understood. Same thing. The next is your biography. So you can also ask ChatGPT, write a biography, biography of a music teacher who has spent 15 years in music industry. So it will give a little biography of kind of thing. Okay, it's giving too much. Make it short with 500 characters. So you mentioned that. Okay, that's it. It has given that. You can take that. But here actually you'll be doing it with your own this thing, your own data actually. So you will not write a biography, like you can write about your introduction, this one. Okay, next is these videos are testimonial videos which will be collecting from a client. You will be directly putting it. You go here, either you can put a other, again, 5 options are there: YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or custom member code, or HTML, or hosted video. You can post the video directly. And again, client testimonials, you can go back to ChatGPT again. We can ask ChatGPT to give a client testimonial, or you can get the real testimonial and add it up. So ChatGPT also will give some prompts. Please write a nice testimonial for a Indian music teacher, right? So it has written something. So we'll copy that. We'll take into this. We'll copy this. That's it. Right? The same way other 4 is done. Then also frequently asked question. This is the last part of this landing page. Let's go to the, again, ChatGPT. Take this one small prompt and place it here. Right. So it's asking what are the 4 frequently asked questions people have might wanted to know answers. Right. So it has given 4 questions. What instruments you offer for lessons? Okay. Do I need a prior musical experience? What styles do you teach? So all these are clearly mentioned here. So this you can copy paste directly to this funnel. So imagine that your funnel is done completely, then you publish this, right? So now we have done this one side. Okay, now we need to integrate the domain. So we'll do that in the next step. So let's go back. Then you need a thank you page. The second thing what you need is the thank you page. Thank you page is also pre-built, wherein you will have your WhatsApp group link. So if you open the thank you page, so this is written here. Thank you for booking one-to-one with us. Please look for the emails in your spam, because Google, normally when you're sending emails to first time, also, it may put it in the spam or promotional. You need to give this message. It's mandatory. Then you can ask them to join your WhatsApp group. Here you can give a WhatsApp group link. So we have given a custom value actually for adding. Directly you can give a link also here. So this is also readily done. So it will give you the clear. Let me see if there is a image added. Yeah, I think there is a other social media images added. We'll take that out. Right. Then we'll publish this. But the publishing can happen only when the domain is added. Okay. Otherwise, it cannot be published. So let's go and do the other parts of the landing page. Now all these prompts have been done. So now let's go to the this one. Second part is the color palette. Okay, suppose if you want to change the color, if you don't like this color, what you have, right? So how can we do that? Okay, let's take that example. Let's go here. There are two ways of doing it. You can give a straight plain colors. You can do a gradient colors as well. For gradient colors, you need a little bit of like coding. Coding means you need to copy paste from somewhere. Or for the plain colors, you can simply go here. You go to this place called sections. So you click onto the settings. Then on the right side, you will find the color chart. So you go here and you can change the colors here. Simply change the color like this. You can do any color you want. You can change it. Right? So that's how it will be done here in the color. Suppose if you want to change the gradient colors, like I don't want the plain colors, I want some little bit of gradient. So what you need to do is you need to go and first select the color palettes. So what are the color options you need to take, use it actually in the landing page. So you need to choose what colors, primary color, secondary color, which I mentioned, right? So there are 25 color palettes are available here in this website. So you have a number of the colors also. There is a color gradient like a dark blue to light blue. Then you have a red to yellow. Then you have a green to yellow. Then you have a pink to this thing. Okay, let's take this. This looks very nice. Okay. Now we need to use this, bring this color back to your this thing. Okay. Since we already have a color, we can use the same color. If you don't have a color, if you want to know what is this color number, okay, what we need to do is, I'll tell you that. You need to copy this, go to the paint and save this. Okay, you save this, right? So now you take it that as an image. So now you chosen this color. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the Canva. Canva will help you to pick up your colors easily. So go to Canva, open the project, create a design, open any tab. Let's say Instagram post square. Okay, I want to bring this color palette here. Now I'll go to upload this file from the computer. Take this color and do it here. Yes, the color is already loaded inside now. Now what I'm going to do is just simply see this magic. Just go and click onto the color. So all the colors which is there in this palette, it's all loaded here. You see this? This color is matching to the left and this color is matching to the right. So then we can get the color number. So you go to this color, pick on to this, you can see the color number appearing here. You can see the color number here, right? But how to copy the color number? Click on to this, go to this plus sign, then you will find the color number. So we got the color number for this, right? Then we can click on to this. Then we got the color number for the second one also. This is the color number for this. So let's go and create a gradient for these two colors. So for this, you need to go to one of the website called CSS gradient. So this is the tool which will help you to create gradient colors. Right, now I'm going to pick up the color. I'm going to copy this, go to this place, copy this first color. Done. Then go to this place, copy the second color. Copy the second color. Done. Let's remove the middle one. Now you can see that. So there is a color gradient happening from the left to right, right? So if you want to introduce one more actually, which is an in-between color, like you want to make it dark or you make it dark, yeah? You can choose that actually. You can choose what you wanted here, like by moving on this. Okay, I like this place, this color. So let's take this one. So what you need to do is you need to just copy the clip, this small piece of code. So go to our funnel works, then go to this place called custom CSS. We have added all the codes here already. So what you need to do is just change the background color here. That's it. It's done. But now we cannot see the colors. Now the colors are not appearing because these are in the particular sections. Okay, this section is not picked up for that color. So let's pick up that. Let's go to the advanced. To go to the section picker. So you just copy that section picker, go to the CSS and add the section picker here. Then add a comma. This is the only area you need a little bit of coding and nothing else. That's it. Then done. So your landing page color has changed completely with this thing with colors, right? So the entire landing page is changed. The bottom, wherever you want, you can use this. What you need to do if you want to change any section, go there, pick up the color, then you do it. That's it. Okay, this is how we can do the landing page change. So what is the next one is we need to connect all the different pieces, right? Let's connect that. So we have done a landing page now. The landing page is already here. Right. First thing is we'll connect a domain. To connect a domain in this platform, we have a place called settings, domains. So you need to add all the domains here. You can go and add any domain you have, okay, and verify it. It will ask you to add some codes in your domain where you purchased. So then it will be verified here. That's a simple process. So once that is done, then domains will appear here. You can start using these domains directly inside the platform. So you go here, you go to the settings, then you can select a domain you want to use. Suppose I want to use this domain. I will use this domain directly, then save. That's it. Right now, we need to clear the path. So the path will be here. Path means what is the extension? Because when you take a URL from this, right, the URL is having some unwanted elements here, like 7272 and all. So you need to make that clear actually. For that, what you need to do is you need to go to this place and remove all this number. Maybe you can write a home page 2 or 1 to 1 like this. Then update this. It will get updated. We need to do the same, repeat the same thing for thank you page. After this, Thank you page is done. Now you see the URL of the thank you page. It's still taking some other number. Okay, and what you need to do, you can clear it again. You can go here and clear it. Let's say thank you page, then update. Done. Still taking it actually. So what you need to, this one is, you need to do this, let's see, page 1, okay? Because if the same number is already taken, it will not, it will add a default number. That is how it is. You cannot have two paths under one platform. You cannot have two paths. Yeah, it's done now. So next thing is the pixel. So we have mentioned there is a pixel to be added here. Pixel. So pixel is a small piece of code. Okay, you need to go and add in two places. I'll show you the two places. First thing is in the settings, you can add in the head tracking code. This pixel, you'll be taking it from a Facebook and it will look like this. How do I show that? Wait 1 minute. Okay, I'll show it to you here itself. Another landing page, we have a pixel already placed. So if you take this landing page, so if you look at this, the pixel is there already, right? So Facebook pixel code, this is taken from Facebook and it is added here directly. The same way you can add the pixel there in that landing page. You go to the folder here and you see this is what we created. So first thing is you need to add a pixel in the head tracking code, but this is a common pixel. It will go applicable for all the pages. Now again, you need to go to the second page. Then you need to add a pixel there also, and you have to make it complete registration. Because you have it's a appointment funnel. When somebody completes the form, that means they completed the registration. So how that will help is you can go to this place and place the pixel, and you can change the page view as complete registration. So once that is done, what will happen is when somebody clicks onto the first page, when they come to the second page, so they go to the, I think it's not deleted here, 1 minute. You can copy this. So you need to save here as well as here, two places. Then only it will get deleted. Right. So the pixel code is added in two places. Domains are done, forms. So forms means in appointment funnel, there are no forms actually. We only have a calendar booking. So let's go to the calendar area. Let's set the calendar here. There is a calendar already there. The pre-built calendar is already there in this. So we have two calendars here. You can go and check the calendar number 1. You can check the availability. You can give the availability of yours. When are you available to take the appointments? You can give that timing here. Then you can give a forms. The forms are already there. Default forms are there. Okay. Then you have notification connections. Connections, you can connect it with your Google Calendar also. So it will appear in your mobile and you can have everything managed in mobile. All these appointments. So now we have set the calendar right. Now this calendar needs to be connected to your funnel. Let's do that. Then let's do the testing. Go to the funnel. Open the first page. So now you have all the elements here. Now the landing page is filled and the details are there. Now we need to connect the form. So you have a button. This button is a place where the form needs to be attached. So when you click onto this and click onto this pop-up setting, so you see this calendar is already loaded. You see this one-to-one calendar. So this calendar is already picked up. See, if it's not there, it will appear like this. So what you need to do, you need to click on to this. You go to this place and click on the calendar, and calendar will load. You can choose the calendar you want to use. That's it. That's it. Calendar is done. So it's all added now. Let's go and test it. Now, what will happen to the test? You need to make a automation to appear it in your pipeline. See, when you do the test now, it is going to appear in the contacts only. There is a place called contacts where all the contacts will come. Then in the second place where there is a calendar, all the calendars will, appointments will show here. Right. Now let's go and fill the form now. So this is the landing page will look like this. Let's go here and click onto the appointment. It's not loading. Okay, that means the landing page is not published after the appointment is added. So let's add that this thing. Let's publish that. So let's check whether calendar is already there. Calendar is there. So save, publish. You can also view it from here directly. Now go and click onto this. Let's take it from here. It's loading, yes. So it will show the calendar now. You can pick up the time, select the time, write the name, number, whatever you want to give, then schedule a meeting. That's it. Then you can add it to the Google Calendar also. Directly, it will be added to your Google Calendar. Google Calendar will get added. So where it will show in our places, you will go to the appointment, you will see the calendars. You will find the appointments. So there's an appointment confirmed here, 21st to this one. This is how it will look like. So you have an appointment, you can go and meet the appointment, and you can add any of these showed, no show, cancellation, invalid, everything you can. Right. This is how a funnel can be built. Actually, it's almost hour. Actually, we have completed the funnel. We have even tested it. So if you want to know more about it, or if you want to fix an appointment with me directly, okay, I'm going to give you two things. One is I'm going to give you the form, a Google form, which you can fill it up. So to understand whether what is your business and whether you really need this funnel platform, we can help you with the funnel platform, and we can help you with the next is you can book an appointment with us with this, right? The appointment link is also shared. So this will really help you, help us to understand you, whether this platform can be useful to you. Actually, we have several plans in this thing. But whenever if you find it useful for your business, we can definitely help you to launch this. This is our website. So we have a pricing here, which is there 1 month pricing, your 12-month pricing. But we have some amazing discount on this pricing. If you really wanted that, we can discuss that. Right. So if you have any questions, I'm open to ask or talk about the question. Yes, Mr. Shakil, are you there? Can we discuss if you need anything? Whatever I explained you, is it clear? Any doubts you have? Hi, Mr. Shakil, can you unmute and speak? Hello? Right. So if you don't have any questions, okay, now we are at the end of this webinar wherein so we have many more funnels like this, and we are going to teach from now on what is webinar funnel, what is lead generation funnel, what is VSL funnel, and we are going to come out with the teachings like in the form of funnel building works. So this is going to really help you to how to build funnels easily in 1 hour using AI and ChatGPT prompts. Thank you.